Turn imagination into beautiful handmade creations with the all-new Kidsmate Pottery Making Kit, a complete creative experience designed to inspire young artists. Everything you need for an exciting pottery adventure comes together in one thoughtfully designed creative kit. Let's open the box and discover all the exciting tools that make pottery fun, easy, and enjoyable for every young creator. Inside the box, you will find 3 sculpting tools for shaping and detailing, a color palette, and a clay cutter for clean, precise finishing, a vibrant watercolor set with a pair of brushes for decorating, 1 kilogram of high-quality clay to mold pots and bowls, along with a pottery wheel for an authentic pottery making experience. It's time to set up the pottery wheel and start transforming simple clay into amazing handmade art. Start by opening the battery compartment located on the back of the pottery wheel. Insert 2 D-size batteries, making sure they are installed according to the correct polarity markings. Once the batteries are in place, securely close the battery compartment. Next, attach the dedicated tool support pillar, which helps organize your sculpting tools, keeping your workspace neat and everything you need close at hand. Now, press the power button to switch it on, and you're ready to begin creating amazing pottery masterpieces. Let's place the clay and shape it with gentle pressure from the fingertips and watch the spinning clay slowly transform into a unique handcrafted creation. Use the included sculpting tools to refine edges, smooth surfaces, and add beautiful finishing details. Once your clay has taken the perfect shape, use the included clay cutter to remove the finished pot from the pottery wheel. Bring your creation to life by adding vibrant colors, beautiful patterns, and your own creative touch to make every pottery piece truly one of a kind. In just a few simple steps, ordinary clay transforms into a beautiful handmade masterpiece. Create, shape, paint, and proudly display the handmade creations with the Kidsmate Pottery Making Kit.